Hey guys, it's Mary, and I just received the last of the Diamond Press pop-up die kits, and this one is the hot air balloon, and like I said, it's the last one. So let's take a look at it, because as strange as this may be, it's in a very small envelope. They've always been in the large ones, so kind of threw me off when it came. I wasn't quite sure what it was until I read the label. So I'm not sure what they did to shrink it down, but we will see. So I really enjoy the Diamond Press auto ships, and this one's coming to an end, and I think I've got another one that's coming to an end soon. So I haven't had any auto ships that I've been interested in, or any auto ships on HSN at all, if I recall. So hopefully there'll be more coming out. All right, so they've broken up, instead of having a big one of these, it looks like they've put it into two. So let's take a look. I can't remember if the other ones came with a slimline folder or not. You know, they all come with a folder, but all right, so we've got the two parts of the hot air balloon, and then the base. This one, I guess, makes a cloud. So let's take a look at the stamps. So we've got the hot air balloon, we've got the clouds, and we've got another year of adventure is waiting. Is in the air. So I'm sure there's on the other set, there's a one that says love. And then here's more clouds. Happy anniversary, love is the greatest adventure. You make my heart soar. Happy Valentine's Day. There's to make the basket for the hot air balloon, and happy birthday. So we've got anniversary, love, Valentine's Day, birthday. And so the instructions are always the same as far as the base goes. You can do it on an A2 size or larger. So we've got the interlocking balloons, the clouds, a single cloud option, a double cloud option, the basket, flags, sandbags, as desired. That's cute. And so it shows you how to put it together. And then you interlock the pieces, just like all the other ones. And then you glue it on to the base. And then they all glue together the same, and they all glue into the card the same, so that you're putting it in the corner on the flat edge, gluing it on the one side. When you fold it over, it glues, and then it will open up. See? You go to that side, close it up. When you open it up, it pops up. So you can, here they show it with the basket, and here they show it with the basket with the clouds around it. So cute, very cute. I've enjoyed all of these, and I'm sad that they're coming to an end. Let me know in comments if you've gotten the bundle or the auto ships. I have not used many of them, I have to admit, but so that goes with everything in my scrapbook room. But things are going to change. I'm going to buckle down and start using all the things that I have bought in the past that I have not used. So we'll see how that goes. But that's my plan for the new year. So, all right, so that's it. Pop Air Balloon Blast Auto Ship. So thanks for stopping by. Let me know, like I said, in comments if you've gotten the whole set of the auto ships and what you've thought of them, about them. And yeah, that's it. So thank you for subscribing. If you're a subscriber, if you've been thinking about subscribing, you can hit that subscribe button, and then that bell will let you know when there's a new video to be watched. If you like the video, please hit the like button. I appreciate it so much, as well as I appreciate any time that you have to come and spend some time watching the channel. So that's it. So until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.